crossing the threshold of this extraordinary miniature habitation, aptly marketed as mid-century zenith, feels less like entering a conventional house and more like being enveloped by the impeccable staging of a meticulously preserved 1960s architectural showcase, albeit one now thoroughly augmented by the seamless integration of every conceivable contemporary amenity. This mobile, retro-inspired domicile boldly stands as a powerful thesis in small-scale architecture, vigorously asserting the conviction that adopting a nomadic, reduced-footprint existence absolutely demands no surrender of either visually striking, historical design principles or essential domestic gratification. The very face of the structure immediately broadcasts its deep respect for classic design, characteristically exhibiting an elongated, visually grounded stance and a pervasive emphasis on lateral linearity, most typically achieved through an asymmetrically sloped roofline, the indisputable architectural signature of the influential mid-century modern MCM movement. The structural composition skillfully unites the innate, welcoming texture of organic materials like warm cedar or robust redwood planking with sharp, mathematically precise geometric delineations provided by contrasting, crisp white or heavy, dark-toned metal trim, while the strategic incorporation of narrow, high-set clear-story windows brilliantly directs the viewer's gaze skyward and effectively underscores the form's essential, sophisticated simplicity. The home's main internal volume flawlessly actualizes the goal of a reimagined retro environment, successfully cultivating an evocative, reminiscent atmosphere that remains entirely devoid of any visual congestion or unnecessary domestic complexity. At the very core of the structure lies an unrestricted, fluid, open-concept floor plan, which is not merely a pragmatic imperative for comfortable, tiny living, but also a profound adherence to the MCM mandate of uninterrupted spatial flow and the powerful perception of unrestricted expansiveness. The furniture selections are deliberately concentrated on sculptural, primary forms, frequently including deliberately low profile, button-tufted seating, and highly functional, simplified storage units crafted from prized, dark-hued lumber such as distinguished walnut or exotic rosewood, paying appropriate tribute to the material orthodoxy of the period. The color discipline masterfully deploys vivid, gem-like accent tones. Consider the arresting brilliance of highly saturated teal, the earthy warmth of mustard yellow, or the dramatic intensity of deep garnet, which are meticulously distributed against a clean, neutral field of unblemished white vertical surfaces.